Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website AlisonWalsh.ie. I'm on a homepage and I really love the logo. It is very elegant. It suits your branding, suits the image that you've got in the hero section. You've got top navigation that is user-friendly. I would love to see all the elements in one line, so perhaps you can organize them better to display products as a drop-down menu. So for example, just a jewelry as the main collection link, and then drop-down menu to earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and obviously, yeah, so earrings, bracelets, necklaces, perhaps gift cards, because obviously people can shop for gift cards. And then you can either display shipping at the top or move it to the footer section, because this is perfectly acceptable place for store policies, for store information as well. So people expect to see the store policies in the footer as well. However, jewelry care is important. Obviously, our story and contact us page can also be merged. And obviously, blog posts can be just made as a blog to save space, but having all of those elements in one line will give you this kind of more polished, more elegant look, which will further help to improve your conversion rate. You've got Alison Walsh jewelry as a tagline. It would be great to add a little bit more because people already know your brand name. However, you can add something that will give people a reason to understand what you're offering. So you can add handmade jewelry, you can add anti-allergic jewelry. So something that sets you apart, that will intrigue your visitors and will prompt them to browse further. However, you've got Shop Now button linked to the earrings, which is perfect. So perhaps because this button is linked to earrings, so you can put shop handmade earrings instead of jewelry, so it will be more straightforward, and obviously people will be able to click and shop for those earrings. We've got earrings, necklaces, so this is much better. Necklaces, earrings, bracelets. I love that those images are straight after the hero image. There's no gap. It's very contemporary, modern layout. I love it. Okay, customer reviews, follow us on Instagram. Remember to add more content here, although the Instagram feed looks perfect, looks really nice. Remember to add more content, featured products here, more galleries, perhaps YouTube videos. So there's more content for your visitors to browse and shop. Especially featured products will help to improve your conversion. So remember to add them to your homepage as well. Okay, so you've got the same menu in the footer as at the top. However, with Shopify, you can show different footer menu than at the top. So take advantage of that. So you can show a shorter menu at the top, and here you can add more elements. You've got social media links in the footer, which is important. However, remember to open them in new tabs so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. I'm on a collection page and looks excellent, looks very clean. It matches the rest of the home page, the rest of the website, the logo looks perfect. The product images look very clean and very elegant, which is perfect. I would also encourage you to crop the product images to the same height so they display in one line. So the product titles will be also in one line instead of being one higher, one lower, which doesn't look that professional, but it's this kind of final polishing touch. So as you can see, they're almost in the same line. So remember to stay consistent with those product heights. You can see it here is perfect example how they would look, how they would display in the same line. And also remember that images to have the same width, so they need to be perfectly square. Otherwise, the title begins here, and there's like the image begins here, so it feels like it's like hanging in the middle. So it would be much better if the images were square, the same height, the same width, so it begins the same line. These kind of perfecting little touches definitely affect the conversion rate. So remember to polish all those little details as well. But I'll have a look at the product page right now and also give you a few tips. The product page looks great, however, I would recommend not displaying shipping calculators at the checkout. It's proven to kill sales. I've got another video talking about it, so please check it out. And remember to remove it. However, you forgot to add to cart above the fold, which is excellent, which is really important. And unique product descriptions, there's just seems to be like unnecessary gap between those paragraphs, so remember to remove them. And the email doesn't have to, unless you want to have displayed email on the product in the product description, then it's fine. It would be much better if you use professional email address such as sales at alisonwalsh.ie, which will definitely help to improve your trust, build rapport, build the authority as a brand, and also hyperlink it. So I've got another video showing how to hyperlink the email address, so also check it out. And display the related products here on the product page, so people don't have to scroll, back and forth to view other products, to so your customers have to do all the hard work. Make sure that the browsing experience is done by you, so people can click to another product easily. It will give this kind of easier flow, easy user experience, which will definitely help to increase your sales, help to increase your conversion rate as well. Also add more trust signals such as detailed refund policy. This is also crucial for sales. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.